Raghav Chadha says interestingly, Rab the Marda hai mat marda, essentially suggesting that, has the Congress gone bonkers, the inability to control this fight between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, is it going to hurt the Congress's prospects? How badly do you think it will hurt the Congress's prospects in Punjab?
Oh, well, Rahul, I will make one point very clear since Raghav Chadha has just finished making almost an election speech, that the threat to the Congress is not just from the BJP. I have in fact messaged a couple of people, I won't tell you what their names are, I don't want to compromise them, telling them that the biggest threat to the Congress is going to come from AAP, which will follow the Delhi model to actually attack the Congress in vulnerable small states where the AAP still believes it can become a third alternative. Therefore, I quite understand why the Congress ought to be in a pressing the panic buttons where Punjab is concerned. Now, we are a challenger party. I'm still using the word we, although I stand suspended. I do believe I have my ideological commitment to the party. The fact that after 2019, a second Lok Sabha rout, the Congress allowed Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Puducherry to go into the hands of the BJP. The fact that Rajasthan became so vulnerable and now Punjab is not looking good is basically a manifestation of a very inept and incompetent handling of a crisis that was there written on the wall long time back. Now, I just want to give you one simple example. The Congress has to get out of this old foggy smoke and mirrors palace intrigue politics. The world has changed. Like for example, what I would do here is a very simple thing. And I hope Pawan will convey this to Mr. Gandhi and the others in the Congress, that supposing Rajdeep and you had, some kind of an ego hassle or you guys clashed over some issue. No, hear me out. I'm saying this very seriously. Arun Puri does not have to appoint a committee putting Shiv Arur and Gaurav and 5 other people to investigate what your problems are. Get you guys together, talk over a beer. If not beer, if somebody is a non-alcoholic, chat over some
Punjab, so lassi. Let's stick to lassi on national TV.
I mean, it's not a difficult problem. Just think about it. If Rahul Gandhi or
mercifully, Rajdeep and I are having no such problem, so that's a good thing.
So I'm just saying, all the Congress needs to do, get them face to face and tell them, listen, we got an election. The BJP is maybe a non-starter in Punjab. AAP is a threat. Shiromani Akali Dal is broken up with the BJP. This is an election for us to win and get them together and get them to sign on what they want, broker a peace and get on with it. I just can't fathom what is going on at the moment in the Congress.
We all tend to, we all like to give this grand old party a lot of advice. And there I would, respectfully almost agree with my friend Pawan Kheda that the Congress in that sense tends to become the softer target. In terms of
how, Rajdeep? No, one second.